The most iconic part of the trombone is, of course, the slide. This always has to move freely, and this is easily achieved by using a good routine of cleaning and lubricating with the appropriate equipment. If this is not done, then the lubricants may dry out, and you'll end up with a slide as terrible as this one. So, before applying new slide cream, you have to clean off the old cream. Make sure you have picked a safe place and get all your equipment ready. Carefully remove your outer slide and set it aside. Then use your cleaning rag to wipe down the outside of the inner slide. This is not complicated. Use enough force to rub off any old cream that you can see. If you're doing this for the first time, please be careful of your elbow and slide room. You do not want to hit your slide into anything. Now, if you do this regularly, this could be job done. However, if you've left it a little long and the slide cream that's there is really old and dry, you may need to wet it with your spray bottle and reinsert into the outer slide in order to remove as much as you can from the inside of the outer slide. I should point out that this is just a quick clean of the outer slide. Please see my other video for how to safely do a more thorough clean of the outer slide, but most of the time this will be sufficient. All of this will be a regular practice for you as a trombonist. Get good at it, but at the beginning, go slow. The weighting of the slide may surprise you, and it takes practice to keep a steady hand. If at any point you need to pause in this process, it is safest to put your inner slide back into the outer slide, and then the slide back in the case. But at this point you'll normally go straight on to applying new slide cream. Please see the next video.